guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a couple videos that are just not really like putting on my makeup. Maybe one's going to be talking about makeups and stuff, but today I wanted to be seen. I'm doing an unboxing for my brother because he just bought this, and it's from a company called Black Craft Cult, and they had this one called the anime box, and I'll show you guys it. Isn't that cool? So there are 4 different styles in here. So I'll open it up with you guys because he really do much. And I think there's like 4 t-shirts and a couple other things, and I keep running over. So first thing I'm going to pull out is this shirt, and this one is this one's a Black Cult. And he got, so this is, let me zoom you guys out a bit. There we go. So here it is. So that's the first shirt. I am allowed to keep one, and I wish, see which, oh, this is the, nope, this isn't. So here is another one. This one's really, really cute. Magic as frack, it says down at the bottom. I don't cuss. And this, there's 2 more to go. So here is the next one. He got him in 2X, but I think they can shrink. So here's this one. And it just says Black Cult on it. And this is the one I get to keep. Is this one? I love kitties. So this is the one I'm keeping. Isn't that cute? I'll read it to you guys. It says, if you're not dead inside, I'll eat your soul. Isn't that cute? I know, it's morbidly cute to me. And then it comes with, I think, stickers? Yeah, these are stickers. So there's, so this is what that one first shirt looks like. And then here's the other one. And the one before the last. And this one. I'm keeping the sticker too to put on my thing. And then it comes with a decent keychain of the kitty cat. So I get to keep that. And the rest I'll give it to him. But yeah, it doesn't have that much, but I think he spent about $80-something on all this, which isn't too bad. You get 4 shirts, some stickers, and a keychain. And I think the shirt's like, what is it, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, about that price, which isn't too bad. $20 a shirt and stuff, and they're really big shirts. Oh, let me grab out the shirt before I forget, because I know my butt will forget. There it is. Now, this is going to be a big shirt on me, but I don't care. I always wear big shirts. I think I wear like sometimes an extra large. So I think this could shrink. Yeah, let me see. It's 100% cotton. Doesn't say the size. So that's how it looks inside. I don't see the size anywhere on here. But yeah, yeah, this is machine cool. But I'll put it in warm water to shrink it. But it's really cute. I like it. I thought it would be nice to do a little short video for you guys and stuff. I know that's really super. I was hoping to do an unboxing of some new Funkos I was getting, but yeah, they're being delayed. One's not gonna be shipped until the end of the month to the till the following end of the month. So yeah, I'm like a little annoyed with that, but I did get this one from my sister, which is the Harley Quinn, and she is in her dress. Oh, so pretty. And I'm gonna try to get the Target exclusive one, that a diamond one with a t-shirt and stuff. I'm gonna try to get that one. But yeah, so this guy's gonna go on my sticker thing. I need to find a way to get this one to sit down. But my stickers are growing and stuff. I think I'm gonna put you right there in the middle. I have a place for it. But yeah, this look is a TikTok. I forgot to do my weekly Jeffree Star mixing of the palettes with the Pink Religion one. So this is the look I created, and it was really, really cute. I like the pinky hues in it, and the black, gray and black look. Because I missed last week, I'll probably be doing a double this week, because I've been really, really not feeling well. So I get a doctor's appointment today that this is going to be aired. So but I hope you guys like that. I'm going to do another video of this look. So because I have one other idea. But I hope you guys like this video and the stuff. I'll try to Google the company and stuff and for the box and link that down below for you guys and everything. So I have to definitely get a chance to get that back because they live an hour or so away. So yay! But if you guys like this video, give it a like down below, leave comments, whatnot. I truly appreciate it. If you want to, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and all of that would be, you'll see it in my end title and stuff if you want to pause that, or go to my bio and you'll find the tree link to all of it. So yeah, I hope you're all doing good, stay safe, and I love you all. Until next time, okay guys, bye!